Hey guys, this video is about the 1998 to 2001 Yamaha R1 EXUP servo motors, how to service it and possibly repair it if it's stopped working on your one. So first off, I've already gone ahead and serviced my whole one and just thought at the end halfway I should make a video about it, since there's nothing really on the R1, first generation R1 specifically, but there is a video on the FZR 1000. I believe somebody's made that one, which I'll link into the description of this video, and you can check him out, see how he does it on his. But let's get to it. So first off, once you've got your EXUP servo motor out of the bike, you'll have 4 Phillips on each corner of the servo motor. So once you get those out, forgive me for doing this with one hand since I'm filming with the other hand. This is my first video, so you should be able to pop the whole cover off, exposing all the gears inside. So I've already, as I said before, I've already gone ahead and done mine, so I've already filled it with grease, new grease. But your one unopened will be filled with all the other old shitty grease in there, so you may want to give all of that a clean up and everything before you get to the main bit. So once you got all of those out, take all these little gears out and everything and stems. Make sure you take a photo of everything before you start to take them out, just so you remember how it goes back if you can't really remember or this is your first time doing it. Remove the O-ring, the ring seal, and you should be able to pop out the motor assembly. Here you have it. This is the main bit. So on my one, the motor is still functioning, but in the bike, the EXUP valve seems to be stuck, so I'll possibly make another video regarding that and how to service it / repair it. But in terms of the servicing on the EXUP servo motor, if your motor is not, this piece here is already destroyed or fried, you want to open up this plastic cover over here. Usually you may want to use a very narrow small Phillips screwdriver, which I've already done and popped it off, since it's unopened from, well, clipped on from factory, and you want to break those clips. Sorta, but not legit break it, but yeah. And here you will have these contact points over here. These are the main ones you want to sort of give a little wire brush on. Make sure to use a soft type metal like brass on this one, not necessarily a steel one, otherwise you'll ruin those black lines there and possibly just destroy the thing. Usually over time, you get like grease or corrosion in here, so hence why you have to reach here and give it a little wire brush that's clean. Also give this spot in here where it contacts a little clean too, and a little wipe with either brake clean or isopropyl alcohol. Preferably I do it with isopropyl alcohol, works for me. If you have another way to do it, or you, go ahead. And now once you're done with that, just assemble it back in reverse order. So just pop that piece back on over here, like that. Grab your cap, place it back on, just clip it back in place. Yep. And just, yeah, reassemble it back in reverse order. Motor assembly back in the body. Yeah, just all your gears and everything, just put them back, reassemble it with new grease. If you haven't cleaned it, give it a good clean. And that's it for this one. If you have any questions or suggestions about this video, just hit me up in the comments. Hence, this is my first video, so I'm willing and open to comments or suggestions. So yeah, fire away, go ahead. Thanks for watching, guys.